This bulb was really dirty, and so were the contacts on the car, so I cleaned everything up, and since I don't have a new bulb to put in, I'm going to throw this one back in and see if it works. Well, what do you know?
This is my 2000 BMW 328i, and today I'll show you how to replace the license plate bulbs. This job is very simple, so let's get to it. The only tools I needed for this job were 3 screwdrivers, a Phillips, a Flathead, and a tiny flathead. As always, there are links in the description for everything I used. The light bulb on the driver's side has gone out, so let's take a closer look. First of all, I needed to remove the license plate and its frame to get to the lights. The lenses for these lights can be easily pried out with a flathead screwdriver. When I removed the bulb, it didn't look like the filament was burnt out, but the contacts were really dirty, which I figured was probably the reason it was making a bad connection.
I don't have one of these on hand, apparently. I thought I did, but the bulb number is 6418. You can get it with an LED instead. I'm going to get the halogen ones because I like the OEM look, and I don't like putting LEDs in this car because LEDs always mess with the electrical system and cause issues. Or at least they can, and I don't want to have to deal with it. This bulb was really dirty, and so were the contacts on the car, so I cleaned everything up, and since I don't have a new bulb to put in, I'm going to throw this one back in and see if it works.
I cleaned up the contacts and got the bulb working again, but if you need a replacement, I've put a link to one in the video description.
Well, what do you know? It might not last very long because it did look kind of burnt up inside, but it should hold me over until I can get a couple new bulbs.
For the record, I filmed this video 8 months ago and made a 2,200 mile trip to Arkansas recently, and the bulb still works. Reinstall the lens as shown. It should easily snap into place.
Still works.
Now just reinstall your license plate and we're done. This was a really basic job, but my channel is full of all kinds of videos to help with your car projects.
Still works.
If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it. By the way, you can now support the channel by purchasing this awesome design available in a t-shirt, long sleeve, and a hoodie, and in a bunch of different colors as well. Check for a link in the description below.